Hey y'all, hey, it's Patty from Getty Things. Welcome back. I am going to unbox something that I got from Bella Luna Toys, and let me tell you why I got this. Diane Schiffer, also known as Nana Diane, has, and I'll link her information, is in New York, upstate New York, and she has an Instagram feed that she does in stories, and she also does some YouTube information on both of those things in a second. But when she does that, she has one of the routines of her day, and I'm super interested in routines, is to light a candle, and she has a little card up on a little holder. So what I did while she was doing that, I took a picture of the screen, and then I did a Google Chrome search with the picture. You know how you can do that with a picture, you can search for something by how it looks, which is the way that I get some of the information that I share on this channel, is looking stuff up like that. So I looked that up and found that she probably got it from I can say it, y'all, a Waldorf school supplier and toy store that's a local business, and I'll put all their information in the description, called Bella Luna Toys. So I think Beautiful Moon. And I ordered it from Bella Luna Toys. It was $29, which I felt like was a good deal for something that was handmade. And they sent it to me, and I wondered a lot of things. I'll go ahead and take these off. I'm sorry I didn't do that earlier, but I was able to see a little bit better, and for this part, maybe I don't need to. I did open the box, but I haven't gotten everything out yet. However, let me show you what was really neat. First of all, this is what she puts up on her little candle holder, and it's sort of a contemplative or meditative practice. Light a candle and to think and pray, contemplate, whatever it is you want to do. But that's a card that they sent with the order. And then what they also did, which was so sweet, I think this is such a good idea, and it's all packed with such care, and again, something that's run by a discrete number of people and is a small business. They sent tissue paper with Bella Luna Toys on it in case this is a gift, is what I'm guessing. So you get that tissue paper. Let me see if I can get up close. Any of it. Isn't that lovely with little stars and moons? We were just looking at the planet Venus and the moon in one of my browse and haul videos, so I thought that was kind of cool. Then plenty of paper, sustainable. And I also did get, to go along with what you're about to see, Grimm's Spielenholz design. This is German, and it's 100% beeswax, Bienenwachs, I think. I'm not sure, I haven't said that. If you're in Germany, I'm so sorry. I just messed up what is a beautiful language. But this is a package of little beeswax candles, and I believe there are 12 in here. I think so. Yeah, I think so. So that's from Grimm's, Grimm''S. And then down here is my packing slip, and I'm going to show you as well as putting it in the description. Not show you, read to you. What am I thinking? It is 100% beeswax amber candles. I got one box of those, and I got the wooden nature table artwork and candle holder, which I'm going to start using for contemplative practices. The way that I think Diane Schiffer uses on, she's such a dear, she's so lovely, and she's brought such value to my life. I'm so excited to share her with you if you haven't already watched her, which you may have, because she's pretty famous, really, in such a lovely way. So I'm going to get this out. This is what it looks like here. Oh, the wood is so pretty. I'm almost sure this is cherry wood. The disembodied voice would be able to absolutely help me say that specifically, but it looks pretty figured. It's nice and polished. And look, here's the larger hole for a tea light candle, and then the smaller hole, looks kind of like a little car or a dinosaur or something, for the beeswax candle. And then this is the little cup. I'm going to put that in there. See, that cup goes right there. So the little cup, and then you can put any card you want, but I'm going to do what Nana Diane does and put it here. And look, you can put your little, I keep saying little, I say it so much. You can put your tea light in here, or a votive, I guess, if you wanted to. And look how pretty that is. And let me go ahead and get out a beeswax candle, because I did wait for you to unbox it. I just had opened it already. Here's a beeswax candle. Let's get that out. Do you see that? I just want to, do you want to sniff and check out most of the things? I wanted to let you see it without my finger in the middle of it. There you go. And, oh, it smells, oh, y'all, I smell the honey. I'm sorry. Tell me if I'm making that up. I don't know if I'm making that up, but I'm going to look it up and I'll pop it up on the screen if I find anything. But here's where that goes. And I think there needs to be some kind of little holder in here too. I probably should have ordered it at the same time I saw that, but I could put a little piece of adhesive, like some blue tack or something safe. I'd have to check and see what's safe and put that in there to have that sort of look. Let me take out the card and then I can show you the way that looks just at the level of, I'm trying to be super careful so I don't break that. See how that looks? And then if I put the card back in, there's a little slot back here. I keep saying little, y'all. There's a slot back here to put that in. I'm gonna take that apart again and show you the slot. See that back there? It's really nicely made. As I rub my fingers over it, it feels so good. There's no, like, for me, at least for this one, there's no, even in the indentations for the candles, there's no splinters. That's the word I was looking for. So that's, again, what that looks like. And I will take a picture of it with video, really, and I'm holding it in front of my face. I will put a picture of it in its whole form on the end of this video. It's just a brief video about what I got from Bella Luna Toys. You see their little tape has their Bella Luna Toys on it. I'm so excited about it because I feel like I'm sharing a practice with dear Diane Schiffer, who is such an amazing human being. Again, go check her out from the information in the description if you haven't already seen her. She practices the sort of slow, thoughtful, meditative, mindful living that I try to practice. She's much better at it, I think, than I am at this point, but we're all doing the best we can, right? So I love you so much. I hope you know how loved you are at all times, and I hope that you will go in peace and love to serve others. And here it is. I don't have anything to put the beeswax candle in to make it stay up straight, but I will, and I bet you'll see this featured in videos to come. Oh my gosh. Just lovely.